This is the journey to One Africa.
Your Excellency, Yoon Suk-yeol, President of the Republic of Korea and co-chair of the summit, Your Excellency Mohamed Ould El Ghazouani, President of the Islamic Republic of Mauritania and co-chair of the summit, fellow heads of state and government, African Union Commission Chairperson, distinguished delegates, ladies and gentlemen, I commend Their Excellencies co-chairs for the leadership and decision to convene this summit. Tanzania is proud to join you at this important summit, being held 19 years since Korea obtained observer status in the African Union. Your Excellencies, it is amazing how 70 years ago, with a predominantly agricultural economy and with very limited resources, Korea transformed to a developed economy. Korea's inspiring story and spirit of determination, resilience, and resourcefulness are among the things that inspired all of us to attend this summit. This is a golden opportunity to be embraced in our quest to form meaningful and substantive economic partnerships to address imbalances in the socio-economic development in our countries. Certainly, our expectations towards economic partnership with you, Republic of Korea, are very high. We gathered here in Seoul with a strong belief that this summit will set the ground for enhancement or for enhanced economic cooperation and technology exchange favorable for the continent's exponential development trajectory. More importantly, it is encouraging that there will be a follow-up mechanism to this summit. We don't expect that this summit to be a one-time off event. Excellencies, our statements here testify that Korean ODA works and responds to our needs and respect our policy space and dignity. And in this context, the United Republic of Tanzania welcomes Korea's commitment and pledges towards fostering shared prosperity, and in the spirit of shared growth, we support putting in place frameworks to promote trade, investment, and engagement among our actors in private sectors. Tanzania is currently working with a Korean company in graphite mining. Moreover, we invite more partnership in exploration, extraction, and beneficiation of the critical minerals. Tanzania as well supports the commitments made towards supporting Africa's sustainability agenda. Excellencies, since I'm the only woman executive president in this room, I must speak about the agenda that is important to Africa and women and African women. And this is investing in clean cooking. My country, the United Republic of Tanzania, wishes to underscore the need to enhance partnerships to advance the clean cooking agenda as part of a just energy transition. Increased investment in clean cooking solutions not only lowers emissions and reduce deforestation, but we also reduce respiratory-related deaths and empower women. Investing in the clean cooking agenda in Africa also presents economic opportunities in terms of development of clean cooking solutions on the continent. And this is when we talk of the true meaning of just energy investment, this is one of them. myself and President Adesina of African Development Bank are working to fundraise for this agenda. And so, in this regard, I humbly ask government of the Republic of Korea to join us in this noble cause. I thank you for your kind attention.